Today I'm going to show you how to make smoky black-eyed peas in the Instant Pot, although my recipe will show you how to make it in the Crock-Pot as well. So I've got the pressure cooker set on saute. We're going to add just a teeny bit of olive oil, and I've already pre-chopped my vegetables. So I'm going to add the celery, onion, bell pepper, and jalapeno pepper. And we're going to let those saute for a couple of minutes. Add 3 slices of chopped bacon. Two bay leaves and a handful of thyme. And we're going to saute this until the bacon starts to crisp up and some of the fat is rendered. We're going to add 4 cloves of garlic. Next, we're going to add 4 cups of beef bone broth. And a ham hock. This is the world's biggest ham hock, but it was the only one I could find. 2 teaspoons of vinegar. We're going to add our dried black-eyed peas, about 1.5 cups. You can add some extra black-eyed peas if you want, but then you're going to have to also add a little bit more broth. And the last ingredient is about 1.5 tablespoons of smoked paprika. I'm just going to measure that in my hand. Now we're going to put the pressure cooker lid on, make sure that it's locked. We're going to turn the function to pressure, high pressure. We're going to set the time for 20 minutes. And then we're going to leave it alone.